Today I'm going to try to start the green Craftsman lawnmower and the Troy-Bilt push mower. See how it turns out. Got to fix the controls so they'll start. So it's ready to start. Choke. Neutral. Alright, let's see if she goes. Got some water in there. Up on the first or second pull, maybe the third. Got the water in the engine though. Alright, now I have to get some tools now to work on this green Craftsman, like a screwdriver and a big hammer. Let's check though that it's got plenty of gasoline. It's got plenty of gas. Plenty of oil too. It had a new starter put on it, right down there, because the old one burned up, I think. Burned up. Got plenty of oil. Okay. Got the switch out, right here. Now we have to take the precautions. Okay, the clutch is in. Now, just like a Dave's farm. Okay, you gotta get a key in there. Gotta get my key in there. Yeah, this is going to require some technical help. Okay, I got the key in. Now I'm going to put it back into the assembly because the little guide was all messed up. So after I do that, we'll see if she starts. The switch is in, the key is in. See what happens to this bad boy. Oh, now this is plain disappointing. Dead battery. Yeah. Well, could have a dead battery. Yeah. Let's try it. The dead man, I think, has to be triggered. No, I think it's got a dead battery. Well, bummer. And I'll clean up the terminals, see what it does, and then I got my jump pack here. So now all I have to do is hook it up. That might be a challenge, one-handedly. See, the problem with this mower is it gets a lot of dirt and gunk in the battery box, and then the battery goes dead, or it acts dead, and you can't really get a good contact in there. So we try to do the best that we can anyway. Turn it on, and now let's see if she'll crank over. Windy out here today. Oh, she's turning, that's always a start. Come on, baby, you can do it. We're having issues again. Yeah, we're having battery issues, crap like that. Oh, yeah, look at that!